Hello crafters, this is Suzanne from A Creative Muse and I am here with my stitched die of the month. This is the stitched floral card front die set. It's a full A2 card panel and then it comes with this cover plate background as you can see here, and then these wonderful drop-in flowers and some embossed detail for you to put even more layers. I made mine in this fun, colorful way where I have a dark blue background. It's not navy, but it's like a dark blue. I believe this is Spellbinders Cosmic Sky cardstock. And then I have the wonderful flowers on the top. There's a lot of Spellbinders cardstock in here as well. On this card, I have both stitching and not stitching. And then I just put gems on those centers and finish the card. So this is just a fun, festive card. Do you have to put hi right here? No. You could stamp something in here, maybe happy birthday. I kept the hi, but you don't have to have this here. You could also put any other shape in here with a sentiment or stamp it straight on top. I did layer this up too and finished it off with some Pink Fresh Studio gems. These are all those beautiful jewel gems. So fun, right? Looks like a fun birthday card. It is a top folding A2 card. Now, on the big flowers, I did my stitching all the way through, going through that center. With this flower, I did wrapping, and I saw this on another video. So let me show you what the wrapping is. This is DMC floss. The floss comes with 6 strands. This is 1 strand I'm going to fold in half. And the wrapping was so easy, but when you wrap it, you're going to have to put something on it because it doesn't look fully finished. I have a piece on the back. Okay, crafters, I zoomed the camera down to show you the wrapping. So you go from like one end to the opposite end, like so. So with this, because the notch is on the outside the way it is, you can do this wrapping. Let me go the opposite side, like this. You see? And then that first one. Now when you're done, it'll look like that. So you see how this does not look like when you normally stitch. Tie this at the bottom or stick a piece of tape on the opposite side to cover up all of that. And then I put a gem on the top. I did it for this one and the opposite end. And the gem is covering where it has that weird little line on the top. And see how it starts to pull apart easily? This one now is fully stitched, okay? Okay, crafters, so I just wanted to hop on real quick to say that I did finish my stitching card of the month. Love, love, love. I think this is so fun and festive. Don't forget, there is still the small die of the month, Love Her, and also the large die of the month, the pomegranate, and all the other things. I believe the BetterPress of the month, that one is sold out, but we still have wax seal, the embossing folder of the month, etc. And I'll link my Kit Club video here. Kit Club will close on the 27th, so you still have a little bit of time. Don't wait too much because everything is limited supply. Also, don't forget this weekend, there is the BOGO sale that will be ending soon, and the sweepstakes, Spellbinders sweepstakes, where you can win 2 advent calendars plus a brand new Platinum 6 die cut machine. Yay! I will put a link for the sweepstakes, the BOGO sale, and Kit Club as well. And a direct link for this beauty, the stitching die of the month, floral card front dies. So love. And I think it's fun. Fun, festive, stitch, no stitch. Still works. Alrighty, crafters, until the next video, stay crafty, my friends. Bye!